It's no secret a sawmill is a dangerous place, so you hear a lot of talk about safety. Lockout, wear your protective equipment, be alert, that's a good one. But what if the hazard is not even part of the job?
Hey Dennis, what time is it, man? I'm hungry. Hey Dennis!
Did you say something?
Yeah, I said what time is it? I'm starving.
8:45. Another 15, we'll grab a bite.
Sounds good. It's like he's in his own world. He really is. He's all to himself, and we sort of go about our job, and every time I want to talk to the guy, I gotta scream at him more than once.
Brandon, where's Dennis?
I think he's behind me.
Didn't you guys exit together?
Yeah. I don't know. I thought he heard me say we gotta leave. Oh, shit. There's alarms going off. People are running around. Let's get out. And I yelled at him more than once. I don't know what else I could have done.
Wearing earbuds isolates you from your environment and the hazards. They're not part of the job.
I don't know. I keep thinking, like, what if it was me?